Hey guys, second video today. I hope you're having a great one. Thank you so much for participating in the first video this morning. It was a lot of fun. We're like 200 no's to like 4 yeses. So the community has spoken. We're still going to leave it up for 24 hours, but it's pretty amazing. Everybody's like, no, what are you, crazy? So it was a lot of fun with that. A remarkable video, buying a remarkable 2 for $1,200. It does not look like we're going to do that. If you're new to joining us, my name is Jamie Glossinger. This is a fun channel where we do videos almost every single day. We talk about tech, fun stuff, energy, just life in general, and we just have a blast. If you like my energy, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell because it helps us with these videos, and if you like it, hit the like button. All that stuff helps us. But today, this afternoon, what we're going to do is we're going to get into this Mobiscribe device. And lately, I've been doing a lot of devices. I have the A6X from Supernote here I'm starting to use so I can get a good idea about it. And I got to tell you, I'm a little surprised. I'm actually liking this thing. And so I wanted to go through the Mobiscribe. Now, who is this for? Well, this is a $179 6.8 e-ink device. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got in the box, turn it on, and see. I mean, if you could get an e-ink device for $179, I mean, most of these things are running $500 up, and this could be good to take some notes on. I mean, that's what I'm finding this little 6.8, or I'm sorry, this 7.8-inch device that I just flip it open and it turns right on and I just scribble something down. And I'll go into that. We're going to have a deep review about that later in the week about what I'm finding out from that. But let's get into this. So let's go ahead and get the camera ready here, and let's go ahead and go in this. So it says Big Ideas Mobiscribe. So let's see, opens up on the side. I will have a link to this. I bought it on Amazon for $179 down below. When we open up the box, we have the device right away, which is pretty cool. It says Mobiscribe power off. We have a stylus on the right side. It does have a thing on it. Let's see if it's clippy. No, it's kind of an eraser. We have a quick start guide. Let's see what else we got in here as I open it up. In here we have, some nibs, which we typically have on all these devices, right? We got some nibs there. And then we have in here, I believe it's a power cable, right? Let me see. Yes, we have a power cable, micro USB, I believe I can fly. Okay, what else do we got in here? We have I'll move this box out of here. A case. That's kind of cool. It comes with its own case, which is nice. Same thing with the A6 that we did the other day. There is a case here. So once we open it up, we have the device in front of us. Let's go ahead. Oh, this is actually a sticky case. So this is one that you actually stick on there. And I'm not going to do that today. I don't know if I'm going to keep this device. We're going to try it and see what happens. So it says you want to charge it in, power it on, and then you have the stylus. Number 1 is the draw, and number 2 is eraser. Okay, so let's go ahead, and they do have a internet Wi-Fi thing, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to get right into this device. Let me take this protective cover off. Usually the power's right on top, and let's see if we can power on this thing. Again, let's see, power off. There it goes. It's turning green. There it goes. So now it's starting up. Mobiscribe. Got a little thing here, a little logo here, Mobiscribe. And let's just, like I always do this, I always just get into these things and see what we can do with it. It's loading up. Got the quick start guy here. It's got a contrast, some file systems. Got some Wi-Fi, obviously, to connect to Wi-Fi. Pretty standard stuff, looks at it from the right note. And then in reader app. So it's got a note app and a reader app. Okay, so here we are. We're in the main menu. All notes. It's got books. Okay, so it's got a calendar. Let's go ahead and click the calendar. See what it does. Yeah, it's not bad. Little calendar. Saturday, September 12th. Let's click on it and see if we can open up. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's a little bit of some memos, some more. Create a note. Okay, so this is, and you can go horizontal, vertical. This is a bad little $180 device, I got to tell you. This isn't bad. Let's go ahead and write on it. Okay, wait a minute. I think, do I have a, no, there's no protective case on that. Oh, please wait. Okay, well, at least it told me. Okay, so we got the note up. Okay, so it's got text, it's got images. Pretty standard, right? Pretty standard device. Let's go ahead and write on it. It's got a, see if the eraser works. Not bad. I mean, it's not bad. It's got a little bit of a not a real paper feel like that scratchy feel that we always have. It's more actually like this Mobiscribe. It's a little bit more scratchy than the Mobiscribe, but the Mobiscribe's got the Mobiscribe, the Supernote. When I get all these devices going, they get into my head. Similar to Supernote, but the Supernote's got a very unique feel to it, which I'll get into in a steeper review. But it's kind of in that in-between stage of the iPad and the Remarkable, or the Sony devices. It's just on the I wouldn't say it's the best stylus, like it's not the best paper feel, but it definitely doesn't have a lot of latency. It definitely works pretty good. See how quick that is? So let's go ahead and click that off. See what we can do at saving. I'm going to tell you what, for 180 bucks, and I think that saved it in the menu. I mean, in the calendar, which was kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Okay, so let's go into notes. Okay, and there's one that I just did. Let's create a new note. Let's do a horizontal note. So you got horizontal and vertical. Okay, and so now we're in kind of this landscape mode. Let's go, what kind of pins? Oh, we got different pin colors, different pins. I'm going to tell you what, this is not bad. I'm going to go with the paintbrush. Let's just see. You know what? That is pressure sensitive. Wow. It's actually pressure sensitive. Look at that. That's actually pretty nice. Eraser works. I'm actually pretty shocked. What does this text button do? Wow. Okay, it's got some functionality in here. I'm actually a little shocked, to be honest with you. This is actually kind of good. Okay, so what do I do after that? Let's see if I put my last name in there. Okay, let's go back to pen. How do I finish that? Right there. Okay. Wow. Okay, this is different. Okay, I want to cancel that. Keyboard down. I mean, I got to get used to it, but this is different. A little text box there. Okay, it's got a little bit of a blinking when it's changing stuff like that, but still, for 180 bucks, this isn't a bad little device. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to pencil. So if I was mind mapping, let me erase that. Let's start off with a entry point, which leads to here, which is a decision, which leads to there and there. I wonder if is it unlimited, the map? No. You can lasso, you can select. So I guess you got to hit text again. And then you can move your text box over here. That's not bad. And you can change the text up. Test. Oh wait, I'm still in text. Sorry guys. Let's go ahead and hit this. Uh-oh. Okay, that was different. It got upset with me. That wouldn't be the first time a device has got upset with me. Okay, we're back into this area. I have the pin selected. All right, let's do pin black 6. Okay. Testing. Okay, I like the pressure sensitivity. Like, look. Test. The harder you press, the deeper it gets, see? So it's got pressure sensitivity to it. Let me see if this is a refresh of the entire screen. Yeah, that's a refresh of the entire screen. I got to tell you what, this warrants a little more use. I'm actually kind of shocked. Let me lasso it, see if I can lasso. And delete it. Can we delete it? Oh, we can move it. We can cut it. Wow. Okay. Let's see. You got a search function. So a couple of people have commented on the channel that this isn't a bad little device, and I have to admit, It's not a bad little device. I'm going to play around with this a little bit more. I wanted to unbox it and see what we got for 180 bucks. I'm going to put the link in the bottom, but I'm going to use this again this week and compare it to the Supernote, right? We'll get these two in here together. It's a little bit smaller, but this device I could see, like, for somebody that wants to take some quick notes, it's not a bad little device. So I'm actually kind of shocked. So it's going to go, I was planning on just putting this thing together and using it for a day and then just sending it back or putting it out, but it looks like this warrants further usage. So I'm going to get back with the Mobiscribe. I'm going to do a couple more videos on it, and we're going to go ahead and use this thing. I'm actually really surprised by it. It's a good device. I thought that it was going to be kind of a cheapy thing, and it's not bad. It's not bad. Now, again, that's just open box. I've got to go through it. So let me use it a little bit, and then we'll talk about it more the next couple weeks. As always, hey, I'm doing some live chats and stuff. If you want to come in and ask some questions, you're more than welcome to. We're going to start trying these devices and using them and just, getting a feel for them. But this little device isn't bad. I'm actually kind of impressed by it. So more coming on both I call them mini devices. I'm going to do some more stuff on the 13.3 inches. And then obviously the Remarkable 2, which will be here soon. So we got a lot of device reviews coming. And I'm going to be doing some other fun stuff this week. I have my 4,000th podcast coming up on Friday. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do that on video and put it up here, even though I know this is my tech channel and it's not my Morning Coach channel. It's my 4,000th episode. So it's a 15-minute show. I'm going to do that and just put it out there so you can kind of see what I do. But today's Mobiscribe is pretty good. So as always, leave me comments below. What would you like me to see me test on this device? And what would you like to hear from me? Because I'm going to get into it a little bit more. And this week we'll do some more challenges between these small devices. But for 180 bucks, this thing's not a bad little e-ink device. I'm actually shocked. You can tell. I'm kind of shocked by this. All right. As always, thanks for watching. Until tomorrow, let's go have a great day. Thanks for watching 2 videos today. One, we had the fun one this morning, and then today's Mobiscribe unboxing. Interesting little device, that's for sure. All right. Thanks for watching. Go have a great day.